Spotted a huge spider and we keep walking into spider webs.
Here's stuck.
Another spider. So this weekend we are doing the waterfall way drive, and that is from Coffs Harbour to Armidale. But we're doing it in reverse because of some Airbnb situations that we couldn't get the dates right. So waterfall way is 185 kilometers of pristine waterfalls, rainforests and cute towns. We have finally arrived. It is almost 5. It's actually 4:40 something. So our Airbnb host owns this local store. So we have to pick up. Oh, my leg. I can't feel my leg. So what's happening? What? So yeah, we need to pick up our keys from the local store, which they own. This is how it looks like. They're a post office too.
What can I get for you?
Oh, we booked the Airbnb.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Yes, so we want to get the keys.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
The cleaner didn't turn up today, so the lady's just finishing your bed,
Okay.
finishing the apartment.
Yeah.
So she should only be another 10 minutes.
This is probably like the only store here. Oh, it's in here. This is the place. It's not what I expected. But it was also like the only place available in this area. So we decided to go out because it's very quiet and boring and still early. So we decided to go to the Wollomombi Falls, which is only 5 minutes away from where we're staying. Scary. Yeah. My legs are shaking. Spotted a huge spider and it's stuck in between his shoes.
Oh, fuck's sake.
Good morning. Last night was a bit uncomfortable because it was a tiny bed. It was a double bed. We will start our first hike back at where we went yesterday. But yeah, it will be like a 2-kilometer walk, hike kind of thing, and then we will continue the waterfall way. What's wrong?
No, I'm not going up there.
He's too scared to stand over there. I'm across, I don't know, a river or a stream. Hello.
Hello.
See? Wow. And we keep walking into spider webs. Oh, there's a spider. And that's Ebor Falls. It's just a lookout here, not really a hike. We're currently on our way to Dangar Falls. I think it's a little hike there, or maybe it's just a lookout. Not too sure. We're gonna eat lunch. There's so many people. It's quite nice here. Wow. There are people swimming there.
Here's stuck.
It's actually really nice here. I recommend coming here with your swimmers. You gotta be careful because the rocks are like really slippery. We are starting the Wonga walk. It's gonna be 2 to 3 hours and we're gonna see like 2 waterfalls.
Very nice. It's
Tiny
very
house. Another spider. Why? Finished dinner. Now we are at the jetty or jetty beach. It's very nice here.
Get a shot of my stomach.
Very nice. But the noise is pretty bad.
Good morning. It's Monday now. And we are very tired because we barely got any sleep last night because it was like super hot, a lot of noise from the highway. So I think that's it. We'll call it a day. And my camera is running out of battery. Bye!
Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.